What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect smartphone to smart TV. So firstly, many modern smart TVs have built-in screen mirroring support. So all you have to do is go to your TV settings, look for an option like screen mirroring, cast, wireless display or mirrorcast. Enable the feature so your TV is ready to connect. Now, swipe down from the top of your screen on your Android phone to find quick settings. Look for a feature called Smart View or Cast or Screen Share or Wireless Display. Tap the mirroring option and make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and keep your phone near the TV. Choose your TV from the list of available devices and tap Start or Connect. Your screen should now appear on your TV. Once connected, open any app, rotate your phone to portrait or landscape mode as needed, and your TV will display exactly what's on your phone screen. Now, on some phones like Samsung, a control panel appears while mirroring. From there, you can cast a specific app in full screen, pause mirroring, darken your phone screen, or even disconnect the TV. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.